Hello everyone, welcome to my beauty box. For those who's here for the first time, I'm not a dermatologist. I'm a finance girl who's really passionate about skincare and would look forward to leverage this platform to share with the world of the skincare tips and the products that have been game-changing to my overall skin health. In today's video, I look to answer the question that a lot of you probably have asked yourself so many times. That is, how should I best take care of my skin in the morning? Now, to some people, that may sound like a no-brainer kind of questions, right? But I know for a fact that for a lot of people, it's not. So in order to help you answer that question, let me share with you the simplified version of my morning skincare regimen, which has been working wonder for my combination skin. Now, while this regimen works best for combination skin, it should work for most skin type, given that most of the products that are featured in this video are baseline product, meaning they are made for most skin type. I'm gonna get to the fun part now, so please stay tuned. For morning, I try to be very gentle with cleansing, and you should be as well. The products that I have consistently used for 2 years now for morning is this soy face cleanser from Fresh. I find this product very effective because it's helped remove the excess sebum on my T-zone, yet doesn't strip my skin of its natural essential oils. That said, my advice for you is that tailor your cleanser to your skin type. So if you have oily skin, you probably want to go for a gel or foaming cleanser. If you're more on the drier side, then you probably want something more hydrating, or you can just even cleanse your face with warm water, because that's all you need for dry skin. Again, the takeaway is tailor your cleanser to your skin type. For pores cares and toning, I currently use the Glow Recipe Watermelon PHA+BHA toner. This product is the latest addition to my morning skincare routine. The formulas contain a balance of hydrating ingredients and pore tightening actives to minimize blackheads and the look of pores and hydrate the skin.
Specifically, the formulas contain 5% of BHA and PHAs combined. For BHA, which goes deep into the pores to decongest and prevent blackhead, the formulas includes 2 different types of natural plant-based BHA. Roller bark, which is a natural alternative to salicylic acid, and sugarcane-derived betaine salicylate, which provides the same benefits as salicylic acid but is tri-sustainable. What I like about this product is that it also contains PHA, which is a relatively new exfoliating ingredient to the beauty community. And the difference between PHA and its cousin AHA is that its larger molecular size allows it to sink into the skin gradually, making it ideal for even sensitive skin types. In addition, PHA also has antioxidant benefits and humectant properties that helps to hydrate the skins. And like I mentioned earlier, the product is also formulated with a lot of different hydrating ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, watermelon extracts, cactus water, and cucumber extracts. The formulas also contains tea tree extracts that come with antimicrobial properties that helps clean the pores and shed irritation. So how should you use this product? Now what I do is I would put a few drops on a cotton pad and just kind of gently pat it into my skin, with a focus being on my T-zone and my cheeks. While working the cotton pad through your face, make sure that you do it very gently. For me personally, the only area that I would get more aggressive with is the nose, because I have combination skin, so that's why my nose area is where most of the excess sebum that I want to get rid of is concentrated.
The products that I usually use for the toning is this Ordinary Niacinamide and Zinc Serum. I probably wouldn't need to say much about the Ordinary as a brand, because it's The Ordinary. But for those who's not familiar with the brand, The Ordinary is known for making affordable, science-backed skincare formulas that actually work. This serum specifically though is actually one of the brand's all-time bestsellers. I love it personally because so far I think it's been doing a great job at keeping my combination skin related issues at bay.
This high-strength formula includes 10% niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3. Niacinamide is a skin brightening sebum control ingredient that is proven to prevent pores congestions, reduce redness, inflammation, and other signs of aging. It can also help reduce hyperpigmentation from blemishes and is safe on sensitive skin. The formula is boosted by 1% zinc, which is also a sebum control agent. So what I do is I would simply put a few drops in my palm and then apply it on my entire face, following with a few drops of vitamin C serum. There's actually a debate about whether niacinamide and vitamin C should be used together or as alternative times, because some research, primarily the older ones, has pointed out that niacinamide can affect the integrity of pure form vitamin C. However, that has not been something that I've personally experienced with any vitamin C product that I have used together with niacinamide. So if you want to be safe, you may want to consider moving niacinamide to nighttime. My current favorite vitamin C product is the 35% vitamin C perfecting serum from Outlines of Skins. You heard it right. Yes, it's 35%, which is highly potent and is therefore not commonly found in the market. This 35% composition is made up of 25% L-ascorbic acid and 10% THD ascorbate. The two forms of vitamin C at a high concentration combined is boosted with other antioxidant ingredients, making it a highly potent serum for brightening and anti-aging. The product is also fairly lightweight, so that is another pro.
After using these products for about 6 months now, I have noticed that my skin has gotten brighter and firmer. I also noticed that some of the brown spots that were previously on my upper cheeks have significantly faded. This is actually my third bottle and I do plan to repurchase. That said, one of the cons here though is the price, because it does fall into the high end of the range for vitamin C's product. Lastly, I want to emphasize that I do not recommend these products to people who have sensitive skins or people that are new to vitamin C. So if you fall into either one of the categories, I would recommend that you start with a product that is formulated at a lower concentration, such as 10% or 15%, and definitely no higher than 20%. Guys, I take moisturizing really seriously. If hypothetically the beauty industry was to go into severe supply shortage and I was told that I can only take one product from the shelves, I wouldn't hesitate for a second and take a moisturizer. It's a minimum requirement, and if you have to skip something else. Don't skip moisturizer. I remember when I first moved to New York a few years ago, the harsh winter weather condition here completely took a toll on my skin, so I struggled for a while, and since I have tried countless of different moisturizing products before I get to this point where I know what my skin needs and wants. So what I have realized for myself is that layering lightweight moisturizing products work better for my skin than using a thick dense layer of moisturizing cream. And so I just deliciously follow a two-step moisturizing regimen, starting with a moisturizing serum and then a lightweight moisturizer. So now let me show you my current favorite moisturizing duo.
Starting with the serum, which is the product I apply right after vitamin C, I currently use the closed recipe hyaluronic acid serum. The serum is a blend of 3 different types of plums, each has unique skin benefits, and of the 3, Cacao Plum has the highest concentration of vitamin C, so it's both a brightener and a powerful fighter against fine lines and wrinkles. Hyaluronic acids are the other key ingredient in this formula, but what I think makes this product stands out from other hyaluronic acids in the market is that the antioxidant-rich properties from the plums pair really well with a blend of hyaluronic acids at multiple molecular weights, making this formula effective at delivering that bouncy, glowy looking skin, just as the name suggests.
What I also like about this product is that it's very lightweight, which is an important quality that I look for in most skincare products. There's a trick though that I use to maximize the benefits of this product. So what I do is, after applying the serum, I would immediately follow with a lightweight moisturizer. Because by doing this, I'm essentially locking in the moisture from the serum before it evaporates. The moisturizing product that I currently use and so in love with is this Kravebeauty Ultra So Simple Water Cream. I did a review of this product in the previous video, but again, to recap, I would give this product, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this product an 8. I like this product for two things. One, the product is very lightweight, yet the amount of moisture that it provides when combined with the Glow Recipe Moisturizing Serum, it's more than sufficient for my combo skin. Two, the product is made for sensitive skin with less than 10 simple ingredients, of which the main ingredient oats. It's great for calming irritation, and it's also a good booster to your skin barrier. Almost done, guys. We're in the final step, which is the sunscreen step. So what I have here in my hands is the Style Fusion C Laser Sunscreen SPF 50+ PHA++. This is a relatively new product for me because I've only used it for 3 months, but so far I like the textures. I like the formula, which is a mix of chemicals as well as mineral UV filters. So in terms of textures, I think the texture is a bit creamy because this product is actually designed to work as a toning cream, but I don't think it's really that heavy at all, like a lot of people reportedly have experienced. Though I would say that for people with darker skin tone, you may not like this product because it does leave a white cast on the skin. For me personally, the white cast is pretty noticeable during the first 15 to 20 minutes upon application, but after about 30 minutes or so, the colors neutralize and nicely blend into my natural skin tone. I came across this product when I was looking for a high protection physical sunscreen that is formulated as a higher concentration of zinc oxide than the one I previously used. I can talk more about sunscreen in the next future video that is dedicated to just sunscreen, because I think that sunscreen deserves a whole video given that it is a pretty tricky topic in skincare. But long story short, I prefer physical sunscreen to chemical sunscreen because physical sunscreen does a better job at preventing hyperpigmentation, which my skin is unfortunately kind of prone to.
Now let me go over the ingredient list. The active UV filters in the formula include zinc oxide 12.7%, homosalate 7.5%, ethyl hexyl salicylate at 4.5%, and titanium dioxide at 2.2%. The formulas also include skin nourishing ingredients such as ceramide, plant-derived collagens, and CoQ10, which combined helps regenerate the skin and keep the skin barrier healthy. Importantly, unlike the majority of sunscreen in the market, this product should not be irritating. Personally, I have not experienced any issues with clogged pores or breakouts from using this product. Now let me show you how to apply this product. For this product, you don't need a lot. The maximum amount that you need is probably a nickel size. So what I do is I just spread the product out in multiple dots and then massage it into my skin. And like I said earlier, the white cast is pretty visible immediately upon application, but it will neutralize after about 30 minutes or so.
So that was it for today's video. If you have any questions or if there's any products that you would like me to review, please leave me with a comment down below. And if you find my beauty advice helpful, please support me by clicking subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and for staying with me to the end of the video. I really do appreciate it. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.